You really want to speak Mandarin better, but you don't know how to do it. In this video, I will share how to use mini habit to design and create a method that fits you perfectly to help you to speak Mandarin better. Even more, you can achieve it every single day. I always want to be more active. So last month, I set a goal that I'm going to go to the gym 3 times a week. Each time I'm gonna exercise 30 minutes. I did achieve the goal, but it only stays 2 weeks. Now my mini habit is I run in the place for 1 minute. After that, if I feel like to do more, I moved to the gym. Surprisingly, the first week I hit the gym 3 times. More than that, I also took a walk 3 times on the weekend. The sum of the exercising time is more than before, and I don't feel like I hate it or like I'm forced to do it. How amazing is that? You have to try mini habits for your Mandarin speaking skills. So, what's mini habits? This concept came from a book, Mini Habits, Smaller Habits, Bigger Results by Steve Guys. First, let's break down mini habits into two parts, mini and habits. We all have behaviors that routinely execute that make us feel weird if we don't do it. Try not to have coffee in the morning, try not to brush your teeth in the morning, or try not to say hello when you answer your phone. So this is the first goal we want to achieve in this video. To find a way, make Mandarin speaking practice a habit. Take advantage of it to help you to stick with it. Second, mini. When building Mandarin speaking skills, most of us assume we need to take massive action. Use Duolingo for 60 minutes in the morning, memorize 300 characters in the afternoon, and take 2 hours of tutor class at the night. But massive action has a massive problem. It requires motivation. And if that requires motivation, you can always find an excuse not to do it. My stomach is upset. I argue with my boyfriend. Not, I'm not in the mood. I will practice tomorrow. But what if we made this daily practice so small that we had no excuse to skip it. So the second goal in this video is we are not only to create a Mandarin speaking practice habit, but also make this habit stupid small that we can absolutely achieve it every single day. Before further ado, hi, I'm Wei Ling, an online Mandarin speaking tutor. This channel aims to help and inspire you to improve your Mandarin speaking skills. If speaking Mandarin better is your goal, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. There are way more tips on the way for you. Now we know what mini habits is. The common question is how to use it to apply to Mandarin speaking practice. The formula is choose one your existing daily routine and touch up one stupid small Mandarin speaking action, such as if you read Mandarin book every day. Then pick one word and read it out loud. If you spend time on social media every day, then make a video that you saying one sentence or one phrase in Mandarin and post it on your social media feed or story. If you keep a diary, then write one word in Chinese, then read it out loud. If you go to the gym and post workout video every day on social media, then say the one sentence in Mandarin in the video. If you have a language exchange partner, send one voice message to your partner every day. You might say one word or one phrase is too little. Yes, you got it. That's the intention, to make this habit so small that even you have worked 16 hours or had argument with your boyfriend, you still can't get yourself to achieve it. Of course, if after saying one word or one sentence, you feel satisfied and you want to say more, you are free to go. The idea is we need to create the first step for us to do, then let the momentum to push us further. Summary 1. To speak Mandarin better, instead of making practice a massive action, we need to reverse it into a small habit. 2. The formula is choose your one exacting routine and touch up one tiny, stupid, small Mandarin speaking action, such as if you use social media every day, then record yourself, say one sentence and post on. Or if you read Mandarin books every day, pick one word to set it out. Thanks for watching. Now it's your time to create a mini habit which is specifically for you. Leave a comment below. Tell me what's your daily routine and what one tiny, stupid, small Mandarin speaking action you gonna do. Because go plus plan plus action equals success. And leave a comment below to tell me your plan is the first step that help you to get closer to your success.
To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Weili Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Weili. See you in the class.